Fun with sight words. There, are. Welcome to Fun with Sight Words. Today, we're going to learn some exciting new words that will help us become better readers. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
The first sight words is the. Say with me, the.
The.
Go with me to the playground as we learn the word the. This time, we are going to use the word the to tell all the things that you see at the playground. So, are you ready, kids?
Yes, teacher.
I'll read the words and you have to repeat after me. The birds. The bench. The bench. The sandbox. The sandbox. The runabout. The runabout. The seesaw. The seesaw. The monkey bars. The monkey bars. The swings. The swings. The slides. The slides. Great job, everyone! Great job! Alright, our next sight word is there. Repeat after me. There.
There.
Alright, this time let's go to the farm. Let's see what's there. Let us use the word there to name the objects that we see at the farm. Repeat after me. There is a dog. There is a dog. There is a tractor. There is a tractor. There is a farmer. There is a farmer. There is a duck. There is a duck. There is a hen. There is a hen. Your turn, please. All right. There is a sheep. There is a sheep. There is a horse. There is a horse. There is a barn. There is a barn. Awesome, everyone! Hooray! Let's have the third sight word, and this is are. Are. Your turn. Kids, let's get back to the class and see who are in the classroom. Let's use the word are to answer the question. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Picture number 1. What are Anne and Sam doing?
Anne and Sam are reading.
That's correct. Number 2. What are Donna and Carla doing?
Donna and Carla are raising their hands.
That's great. Number 3. What are Dan and Ken doing?
Dan and Ken are standing.
Number 4. What are Lena and Ben doing?
Lena and Ben are painting.
Amazing, everyone! Fantastic job, everyone! You've learned 3 new sight words today. Before we say goodbye, can we name again the following sight words? The, What's the second one? There, there. And the third one is are, are. You're really doing great. Alright class, thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you on the next video. Goodbye and God bless.